guys, welcome back to the Fit Couple Cooks. Today I'm gonna show a very amazing white sauce recipe. It is called the bechamel sauce, and compared to like making any cheesy sauce, or you want to make a mac and cheese, you want to put cheesy sauce in that, you don't have to do that. This sauce has like very simple ingredients, and you can control your cheese in this. You can store it for 2 days and you can use it for almost like baked pastas, scalloped potatoes, baked veggies, anything. Just use the sauce for anything, and it is super healthy. It is not like a very unhealthy sauce that you think twice before using it or something. So let's get started.
Okay, here I have a deep saucepan over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of butter. I don't know why I melted it, but that's okay. And half cup of flour, and I'm gonna use a spoon and mix it properly so that all the flour is combined with the butter properly. And let me tell you this beforehand that this is a little bit more of labor intensive work, because you cannot just leave it on the stove top and go and do your work, because it's gonna get burned that way. So you have to be there all the time, but don't worry, once it's all done and made, your hard work is definitely gonna pay you off. Okay, now I'm adding milk. You can add whole milk to it, or 1% or 2%, just the way you want. So what you want to do is, I'm gonna add in total of 6 cup of milks, but I'm adding a little by little. So I just added 1 cup of milk, and I'm gonna give it a good mix. And I just realized that a spoon is not the best thing to do, so I'm taking a whisker, and I'm gonna whisk it properly so that there are no lumps in it at all. You do not want any lumps in your sauce, and you have to constantly keep mixing the sauce, keep mixing it so that the lump goes away. Okay, so now that I've added all of my milk little by little, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and again start whisking it, because as I told you, it's a little bit more labor intensive work, but that's okay. So just whisking it properly so that nothing gets burned and nothing sticks to the bottom. And now you will see that the sauce will start to thicken up, and I will show you the when it comes to that consistency, and you want to keep it to that consistency, because when you refrigerate it, it's gonna thicken up more. So let's keep whisking and wait for it to get thick. So the last ingredient that you want to add is 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, but it's optional. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still make the sauce and it'll taste still amazing. Okay, this is how it looks after 10 minutes of whisking and cooking. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's the perfect consistency that you want it to be, and there are no lumps to it. Please make sure that there are no lumps, because this is not a lumpy sauce. Sorry about that. This is not a lumpy sauce, and this looks great, even smells great. Now in a large bowl, I'm pouring the entire cream sauce and covering it with a plastic food wrap, making sure that it's touching the cream, so that it helps prevent any forming of skin. And you can refrigerate it for 2 days in the fridge and use it whenever you want. So if you like my recipes and my videos, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.